Good morning, children. Today we are going to continue with the lesson Electoral Politics. In the earlier classes, we have read about what is an election and why do we need it. Then we have also done about the process of election. We have already started. The first process is the country is divided into number of constituency. In India, it is divided into 543 constituency. Then out of this constituency, certain constituencies are reserved for SC and ST. Then further we have read about preparing a voters list whereby all the names of the eligible voters are written. Now after the voters list is prepared, the next step for the process of election is the nomination of candidates. Political parties, they nominate their candidates who get the party symbol and support. Now, party's nomination is often called as party ticket. Every person who wishes to contest an election, he has to fill a nomination form and give certain details like serious criminal cases pending against the candidate, then details of the assets and liabilities of the candidate and his or her family, then educational qualification of the candidate. Now, after the nomination of candidate, the next step of election is election campaigning. It is a very important phase of any election, and in our country, such campaigning takes place for 2 week period between the announcement of the final list of the candidate and the date of polling. Now, during this period, the candidates they contact the voters, political leaders they address election meetings, and political parties mobilize their supporters. Now, this is also a period when newspapers and television news they are all full of election related stories and debates also. Now, during the election campaign, what happens? The political parties they try to focus public attention on some big issues. So, let us now see some of the successful slogans which were given by different political parties in various elections. Now, the Congress party, which was led by Indira Gandhi, gave the slogan Garibi Hatao in the Lok Sabha election of 1971. Then, Save Democracy was the slogan which was given by Janata Party under the leadership of Jayaprakash Narayan in the Lok Sabha election which were held in 1977. In order to regulate the election campaign, an election law is there and there are certain rules. So, according to our election law, no party or candidate can bribe or threaten the voters, appeal to them in the name of caste or religion, or use government resources for election campaign and spend more money than what is being stipulated. Now, at the same time, there is also a code of conduct for election campaign. Now, according to the code of conduct, no party or candidate can use any place of worship for election propaganda. Then use government vehicles, aircrafts, and other officials for elections. And once elections are announced, ministers shall not lay foundation stone of any project. The final stage of an election is the day when the voters they cast or poll their votes. Now every person whose name is on the voters list can go to the nearby polling booth. Once the voter goes inside the booth, the election officials identify him, put a mark on his finger, and then allows him to cast his vote. Then electronic voting machines are also used these days. They are used to record the votes and the machine shows the names of the candidates and the party symbol also. Now what the voter has to do is just to press the button against the name of the candidate he or she wants to give his or her vote. Then once the polling is over, all the EVMs they are sealed and they are taken to a particular secure place. Then after few days on a fixed date, all the EVMs from a constituency they are opened up and the votes secured by each candidate are counted. The candidate who secures the highest number of votes from a constituency is declared as elected, and the defeated candidate or the party, on the other hand, they have to accept the election outcome as people's verdict. Now, children, in the next class, we are going to read about the Election Commission of India.